So I got this parcel from Purdy and Figg, and I'm really excited to actually open it, but I'm gonna open it with you. So exciting. Ooh. Looks posh. So it does come like this, and a cloth. So these are products for your counter. So it's counter cleaning product, and you have the bottle that you use it to spray. And you have this, which you use to clean, and they have different smells. Ooh, that smells amazing. So I'm gonna try. I have 3 altogether. So this is grounding vetiver. Grounding vetiver smells a little bit like grass, but it smells really nice. This is balancing floral. Ooh, this smells the balancing floral. Definitely, I recommend that. And this is citrus. I can't decide. They all 3 smell really nice. So I'm gonna do another video with trialing it on. This was an unboxing. So you have this bottle and you have all the 3 aromas that they do. But I'm gonna make another video to show you how it actually works as well. You have to put a little bit and you have to top it up with water. Yeah, I really like it. I'm really excited to use it.